I am Cybex author William Panek. In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish or assign an application using a group policy. First thing we got to do is go into the Group Policy Management console. Now, the easiest way to do that is to click on the Windows key on your keyboard and click on Administrative Tools. Now, you can see here that the Group Policy Management console is already on my Start menu because I've been using it in all these videos. But I'm just going to show you the normal way by clicking on Administrative Tools. Then, after you click Administrative Tools, you just go down to the Group Policy Management and double click on that. And that opens up the Group Policy Management MMC. Now what I'm going to do is on the left hand side under my domains, I'm going to click my Cybex domain, expand it, and I'm going to choose the OU where I want to deploy this software to. I'm going to choose North America, I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say create a GPO in this domain. So the name of my GPO is going to be Software Installation. I'm going to go ahead and just click on this and say OK. And then you'll see here that I have my GPO software installation. So now I'm going to click on the software installation, right click and say edit. When this comes up, what you're going to see is you're going to see that you can create GPOs to the computer section or the user section. We're going to use the user section. I'm going to expand policies on the left hand side. I'm going to expand software settings. Then I'm going to click on software installation, right click and say new package. Now at this point, you got to point the GPO to the MSI or Microsoft installer package that you're going to be deploying. What I'm going to do is on my C drive, I created a directory called software package. So I'm just going to double click on that. I'm going to choose the MSI that I'm deploying and I'm going to say open. So when the deploy software appears, I can actually choose if I want to publish, assign, or go into advanced properties. I'm going to go ahead and just say publish. So I'm going to click on publish and I'm going to say OK. Now believe it or not, you're done. This GPO will now automatically start deploying this software package. This software package is for Visual C++. But let's say I want to go in and I want to actually make some changes. Then all you need to do is double click on the actual package. And at that point you can click like deployment. And again, you can change if you want to publish or assign it. You can actually set up some deployment options here if you want auto install on the application. So these are some of the options that you can set. Upgrades, categories, so you can go through. In the book it explains what each one of these tabs does. So I'm just going to go ahead and say OK. I'm going to go ahead and close my Group Policy Management console, and it's as simple as that. In this video, I showed you how to publish or assign a software package using a group policy.